हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे टॉप 100 प्लस हिस्ट्री वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस जो आने वाले सभी एग्जाम के लिए मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच एम्परर हैज बीन कॉल्ड नेपोलियन ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर समुद्रगुप्त। Who were the first kings to issue gold coins in India? Answer Indo-Greeks. The Bahmani kingdom was founded in the year 1347. Where was the first All India Kisan Sabha formed? Answer Lucknow in 1936. East India Company was established in the year 1600. Who was called Jinda Pir or Living Saint in Mughal India? Answer Aurangzeb. Who is called the Light of Asia? Answer Gautam Buddha. Who is the author of Ain-e-Akbari? Answer Abul Fazl Alami. Which is the first Hindi newspaper in India? Answer Udant Martand. It was published on 1826. All India Trade Union Congress formed in 1920. Indian National Congress was formed in 28th December 1885. Gita Govinda, the famous poem, was written by Jayadeva. Who is the first Europeans to come in India? Answer Portuguese. Gandhiji's first satyagrah in India was held at Champaran, Bihar. The first silver coins of the Gupta period were known as Answer Rupaka. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. Who was the last British Viceroy of India? Answer Lord Mountbatten. Champaran Satyagrah was started on 1917. The first Battle of Panipat was fought in 21st April 1526. The Battle of Ghangra was fought in the year 6 May 1529. The Kheda Satyagrah led by Mahatma Gandhi started in 1918. Quit India movement was started on 8th August 1942. Battle of Chausa was fought in the year 1539. Battle of Kanuj was fought in the year 1540. Famous book Hindu Swaraj written by Mahatma Gandhi. Swaraj Party was formed by Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. Battle of Khanwa was fought in the year 16 March 1527. When was Rowlatt Act passed? Answer March 1919. Humayunama was written by Gulbadan Begum. Second Battle of Panipat was fought in 5th November 1556. Who built Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri? Answer Akbar. Battle of Chanderi was fought in the year 29th Jan 1528. Akbar's tomb is situated in Sikandra, Agra, UP. When the Khilafat movement was started in? Answer 1919. The non-corporation movement was started in 1920. Who was the founder of the Brahm Samaj? Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Answer: Swami Dayananda Saraswati. The Battle of Plassey was fought in 23rd June 1757. Quit India movement was led by Mahatma Gandhi. Battle of Vandevost was fought in 22nd Jan 1760. The first round table conference was held in London 1930. Jammu and Kashmir became an integral part of India on 26th October 1947. The Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764. Who was the founder of Pratna Samaj? Answer: Atmaram Pandurang. The mantra "do or die" was given by Mahatma Gandhi. Who introduced Ikta system? Answer: Iltutmish. Who is known as Nightingale of India? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. Who was founder of Gupta dynasty? Answer: Sri Gupta. In which year the Swaraj Party was formed? Answer: 1st January 1923. Paika rebellion was started in the 1817. Who was the first Muslim president of India? Answer: Zakir Hussain. Simon Commission was held in 1927. Who wrote famous Neel Darpan? Answer: Dinabandhu Mitra. Who is the author of Vande Mataram? Answer: Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who is the first Governor General of India? Answer: Lord William Bentinck. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is observed on 9th January. Who is regarded father of the modern India? Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who wrote Discovery of India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Where did the Chauri Chaura incident took place? Answer: Gorakhpur, UP. Veer Bhumi is the resting place of which personality? Answer: Rajiv Gandhi. Chaitya Bhumi is the resting place of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Rajghat is the resting place of Mahatma Gandhi. Shakti Sthal is the resting place of Indira Gandhi. Who built the Jama Masjid? Answer: Shah Jahan. Vijay Ghat is the memorial and resting place of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who built Taj Mahal, the memory of wife Mumtaz? Answer: Shah Jahan. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? Answer: Swami Vivekananda. Who was the founder of Aligarh movement? Answer: Syed Ahmad Khan. The civil disobedience movement started with which incident? Answer: Dandi March. Who was the Governor General of India at the time of the Sepoy Mutiny? Answer: Lord Canning. Which Congress leader declared the goal of Purna Swaraj in 1929? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Who addressed the United Nations for the first time in Hindi? Answer: Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Which British Governor General introduced postage stamp in India? Answer: Lord Dalhousie. Who wrote the famous song सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा? Answer Muhammad Iqbal. Which Governor General of India introduced Doctrine of Lapse? Answer Lord Dalhousie. Who was the Governor General during the East India Act 1784? Answer Warren Hastings. The Indian Independence League was a political organization that was founded by. Answer Ras Bihari Bose in 1920. Sabarmati Ashram established by Mahatma Gandhi is located in. Answer Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Who is the leader of Bardoli Satyagraha held in 1928? Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Who was the founder of All India Muslim League? Answer Nawab Khwaja Salimullah. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of formation of Indian National Congress? Answer Lord Dufferin. Who was the founder of Satya Sodhak Samaj in the 19th century? Answer Jyotirao Phule. When did Mahatma Gandhi establish All India Harijan Sevak Sangh? Answer 1932. Tulsidas wrote the Ramcharitramanas during the reign. Answer Mughal Emperor Akbar. In which state the Nalanda University is located in India? Answer Bihar, Rajgir. Swami Vivekananda established Ramakrishna Mission in the year. Answer 1st May 1897. Who was the founder editor of the famous newspaper Kesari during the national struggle? Answer Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who was the Mughal emperor to have lifted the jizya on Hindus? Answer Akbar. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress or INC? Answer Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Who was the first Governor General of India during the launch of Civil Disobedience Movement? Answer Lord Irwin. Who is known as the father of the civil services in India? Answer Lord Cornwallis. Who started the construction of Qutub Minar at New Delhi? Answer is Qutubuddin Ibaq, and it is completed by Iltutmish. Who was the father and mother of King Akbar? Answer Humayun and Hamida Bano Begum. In 1562, Akbar married Jodhabai, the daughter of the. Answer Raja Bharmal of Amber. The Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought between. Answer is Maharana Pratap of Mewar and the Mughal forces of Emperor Akbar. Who was the finance and revenue minister of King Akbar? Answer is Raja Todar Mal. Who was the first great leader of Maratha? Answer Chhatrapati Ji Shivaji Maharaj. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre, also known as Amritsar massacre, occurred on the 13th April 1919. And last is, who was the president of Indian National Congress at the time of partition of India? Answer is Acharya JB कृपलानी। दो क्वेश्चन के आंसर आपको देने हैं। फर्स्ट इज व्हेन डिड द साइमन कमीशन अराइव इन इंडिया? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है हु वॉज द गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द सीपोय म्यूटिनी? वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए। चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिले।